Hi, I'm Gary Benjamin, meteorologist at the Trinidad and Tobago Meteorological Service, with an update on the 2025 wet and hurricane seasons as they have been unfolding so far. The 2025 rainy season was declared on May the 19th. As a result of heavy and persistent rainfall during the weekend of the 17th to the 19th of May, the rainfall total at Piaco exploded to 274.4 millimeters, representing 251% of the normal. And at Crown Point, 107.7 millimeters was measured, being 124% of the normal. For June, we have also had bouts of intense rainfall, which prompted the issuance of 3 adverse weather alerts, with one instance having multiple updates. One riverine flooding alert, which went as high as orange level, and also 2 high winds alerts. A rainfall total of 386.9 millimeters was measured at Piaco, representing 159% of the normal, and 222 millimeters at Crown Point, representing 142% of the normal. So far, we have had a number of tropical waves of varying intensities, and that number being 14 and counting. As far as tropical cyclone development, we have already had 3 named cyclones in the North Atlantic basin, but none as yet in our area of interest. Of course, we cannot forget the ever-present and persistent Saharan dust. The main climatic factors are expected to remain constant, and there is not likely to be any significant change in the seasonal predictions. For the normal period 1991 to 2020, the months with the highest averages of rainfall collected at Piaco are June, July, and August, with a slightly lower secondary peak in November. And for Crown Point, the highest peaks are usually in October and November, with June, July, and August being among the wetter months. All in all, a near normal season for rainfall is to be expected. But look out for a 62% chance for 8 to 13 heavy rainfall days. That is days with the rainfall totals of 25 millimeters or more, the normal being 16 days. And a 52% chance for 1 to 3 extremely heavy rainfall days, and that is days with rainfall of 50 millimeters or more, which will produce various types of floodings and other impacts, such as high winds, agitated seas, and landslips or landslides. In our area of interest, we continue to look for the possibility of 1 to 5 named storms developing, and most likely number being 3, with the likely number of hurricanes to develop being 1, with a possible range of 0 to 2. Also look out for a noticeable increase in temperature between August to October, with the peak likely to be during September. Please continue to look at our website, www.metoffice.gov.tt, and our social media platforms for the latest day-to-day public forecast or any alerts, warnings, or information. I am Gary Benjamin. As always, please be safe and take care.